Way they go. Kim Possible from the outside is Azu Carrera de Mama alongside Dragon King Tiger Rifik. Dixo Star from the outside, Slam Shot Batcom. And on the further outside is entry number 5 pound for pound Princess Tokai. Rounding the far turn, 3 runners fighting out for the lead. Kim Possible in the middle, Azu Carrera de Mama. Dragon King from the outside. And racing forward by some 4 lengths, Tiger Rifik, Dixie Star, Slam Shot, Princess Tokay Batcom. As they race the last 200, Kim Possible, Dragon King, Azu Carrera de Mama, Jigsaw Star down on the inside, Tiger Rifik, Islam Shot, Rube Knight, Batcom, Princess Tokay, Kim Possible, Dragon King, Jigsaw Star down on the inside, and finally it's going to be Kim Possible, Jigsaw Star, Dragon King, Tiger Rifik, Islam Shot, and I think Batcom, Rube Knight close for